Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you hear no sounds or low sound volume during calls on your Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G. First of all, of course, check your sound volume using side buttons. So volume down, volume up. Basically increase your sound volume by holding down the volume up button and try increasing it to 400% to make sure that you can hear it. Also tap the three dot icon right here while increasing your sound volume, and make sure that if you have some sort of call volume, to increase the bar with the call volume too. And after that, if this that doesn't help you, try cleaning your device's earpiece, which is located right here, and use a soft brush. Do not use any metallic tools to do that. Just use use a soft brush carefully to wipe out any debris or any dust that may be stuck inside of your device's earpiece. Also, you can try testing your earpiece with another app like WhatsApp or maybe Messenger or any other app that you can let you use calls. And if this isn't helping you, then restart your smartphone by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time. Swipe the circle down to reboot your device, wait until it is restarted, and then check your volume sound, your call sounds once again. Okay, and as a last resort to fix this issue, we can also try resetting network settings. To do so, go to your device settings, go to more connectivity options, then scroll down to reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and Bluetooth, and select reset settings. After that, you're going to have to reconnect to repair your Bluetooth devices with your smartphone, and also reconnect to your Wi-Fi network by re-entering the password to it. And at this point, try checking your call sounds once again. And I really hope that it helps you resolve your problem. If not, then at this point it might be a hardware issue with your earpiece, and I highly recommend contacting Xiaomi customer support service at this point and repairing your device, especially if it's still on warranty. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.